How to screenshot an area of the screen on Windows. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to take a area screenshot on Windows. Now, without any further delay, let us just begin. So when you usually take a screenshot using screenshot shortcut, that is Windows plus print screen, it's going to take a snapshot of your entire screen. But let's say if you just want the left hand side as your snippet, then you have something called the snipping tool on your Windows by default. You just need to open it up, click on this new icon, and then you can easily drag from here and select the area that you want to take a screenshot of. And it will show you the screenshot here itself as well. You can make edits and draw on it. That's optional as well. And you also have a shortcut to do that. So let me just quickly show you by bringing on the on-screen keyboard. So you just basically press this and then press Shift, Windows, and then S. Doing this will bring out the snipping tool. Let's say if I just want a snippet of my keyboard, you can just select the area and you've successfully taken a screenshot. So that is basically it, guys. That's how to take an area screenshot on Windows. If this was helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.